Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen Android Pie system special head unit for Peugeot, Citroën, Berlingo, Peugeot partner 2018 to 2020 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. Open the box. Okay, you can check head unit with good condition. This is head unit. Special harness parts. And the head unit. Okay, let me introduce harness first. This special cable. Okay, you can check this special dash kit board will come with the head unit together. Okay, and let me show the harness and compass box. This special harness and compass box you can check. Okay. This connector. Okay, and this wire you can check. This is K1 and the K2 for steering wheel control. Steering wheel control also decoded by compass box. This is GND wire. This is NT-wire 12 voltage. This camera input. Okay. It comes with this original USB and this radio antenna and GPS antenna, this small speaker and this USB, two USB and external microphone. This camera input. This is audio cable, subwoofer, and this audio out front and rear, left and right. Audio out. Okay. This is video input and AUX input left and right. Okay. This cable connect head unit with screen. Okay, let me show. you can check this header unit. This connector this cable. So white diagram. You can check this power, this fuse, GPS, this connector to audio, USB, and other connection. This radio antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna. Okay. You can check this front header unit and these buttons, this microphone and the reset hole. On the left, this back. This connect to header unit. And this dash kit you can check. Okay, let me connect. Okay, you can check connected header unit with screen. Okay. Let me connect power. With 12 voltage. Okay, button lights on and header unit start. Okay, you can check header unit already started. And you can check the front panel. Okay, please take out the screw protector before using. This is screw protector. And you can adjust the screw brightness. This radio. Click search button to get the radio stations. It's date and time. Fast response. Let me check the setting. No, let me check. Or if like here, you can check. You can install application. It's built in DSP amplifier. Okay, this is control settings. Original information will show this speed. Okay, it's built in Google Maps and Play Store. You can download the application from Play Store. It's built in YouTube, and this is the link for mirroring. This is the link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This vehicle information. It's built in Wi-Fi. About motion, you can check the MCU variant, CPU, octa-core, memory size 4GB, PX5, Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Now we check the storage. You can check total 64GB storage. 64GB storage. Okay. So other car setting, personal setting, you can change the LED settings with gray. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Navigation setting, drive setting, reserve volume, watch video, rear ruler, track display X mirroring, radar system, voice notice if the open or close. It's for steering wheel control settings. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.